ladies and gentlemen, we are back in a 172. It's not the SP, it's 670 Mike Alpha. This is the plane that I proposed to Rachel in, with Lewis sitting up here in the front. We are taxiing to runway 7, and this is going to be round 2 of the landing a Cessna 172 Will It Float series. I say series, I'm probably not going to do another one. We do appear to have a nearly 90-degree crosswind across the runway at about 8 knots, so that should make life a little bit more interesting. Exact tower 670 Mike Alpha, Alpha 7, runway 7, ready for departure.
Cessna 670 Mike Alpha, Orlando Executive Tower, for now fly runway heading, runway 7 and Alpha 7, cleared for takeoff.
For now, fly runway heading, runway 7, clear for takeoff, 0 Mike Alpha. We've got 7 on the ground, we've got 7 on the compass, and we've got 7 on the DG. Alright, let's go, heels to the floor. T's and P's are still in the green, and the airspeed is coming alive.
Skyhawk 55297 Orlando Executive Tower, follow the Skyhawk in the upwind, left closed traffic, runway 7, Alpha 7, cleared for takeoff.
And she wants to fly.
Left closed traffic, runway 7, Alpha 7, clear for takeoff, 297.
So yeah, so based on the last video we did, we're going to try and do this at 55 knots. 55 knots feels remarkably slow. But it's what everyone was saying I should try and do, so we're going to do it. We're going to do it with full barn door and partial barn door as well, just to see what the difference it makes.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, make left closed traffic.
Make left closed traffic, 0 Mike Alpha. Whee! Let's go. Our turning crosswind, there's Orlando. Hello, Orlando. Alrighty, I still have the runway in sight, that's always good. How is everyone anyway? You all good? I hear UK is coming out of lockdown today. This is the Monday, the 11th, I believe it is. Have you all been shopping and gone to a beer garden? Alright, we're on the downwind. We're at pattern altitude. We're also getting blown towards the runway.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, are you able to make a short approach?
Affirmative, 0 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, you're inside of citation traffic on about a 7.5 mile final. Runway 7, cleared, touch and go. Keep it in close for me.
Keep it in close, clear, touch and go, 0 Mike Alpha. Alright, so we're going to go power idle.
Cessna 297 for you, midfield, make a right 360.
Make right 360, 297.
Oh no, the engine's died, what do we do? I've never done one of these outside the training environment, let's see if I've still got it.
Front 4-1, left turn at Alpha 6, ground point 4.
Alpha 6, ground point 4, front 1.
A little bit of barn door assistance. So this obviously isn't going to be done at 55 knots, because the runway's right there.
How's the spacing for Papa Juliet?
6 Papa Juliet, spacing looks good. That traffic is very short. Final, you are number 2, runway 7, cleared to land.
Clear to land number 2, runway 7, 46 Papa Juliet.
Well, I've made the runway. Well, this is clearly going to float.
Exec Tower, 713 Sierra Quebec, only short of 7 Alpha 7, ready for departure.
November 713 Sierra Quebec, Executive Tower, stand by.
Alrighty, that was, yeah, we're at Alpha 3, there we go, let's get back in the air. That was a really short one.
Cessna 297 rolling into that 360, you're looking for citation traffic, 2 mile final.
Alright.
Looking for citation traffic, 2 mile final, 297.
I mean, yeah, obviously that floated because it was a short approach, but you know, made the runway. Good to practice your emergencies, I guess.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, you're number 2, traffic follows at 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,000 feet, a Skyhawk, turning base in about half a mile.
Alrighty, number 2 behind the Skyhawk, cleared touch and go, runway 7, 0 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, roger, runway 7, cleared, touch and go.
There's the... My God, why is he so far downwind? Let's do a bit of slow flight. I don't need to go beyond downtown to do a pattern. Alright, let's start that shallow turn. We haven't really got much choice. Let's go one stage of barn door. And there's downtown, Lake Eola. Hello, Lake Eola. And returning final. Down to 70 knots. Pitch for airspeed. Let's go a little bit beyond final so we can do an S turn. Whee! Where is he? He's only just gone over the numbers. Full barn door, slow it down.
Tower 5.9 Mike Kilo is on the RNS 7 full stop.
Archer 323 Delta, contact departure, good day.
Good day, 323 Delta.
Cessna 297, left turn Alpha 6, taxi to runway 7 at Alpha 7 via Alpha, cross 13, remain as frequency.
Doesn't want to slow down. Right, there's 60.
7 Alpha 7 via Alpha cross.
Oh, this feels so wrong.
Dutch is 9 Mike Kilo, exact tower, continue for runway 7, wind 350 at 8.
Continue 9 Mike Kilo.
Alright, power idle. Left aileron, right rudder. And it floats. And we're down. 60, up we go. So, not like a terrible float, but it definitely floated, and that was, I believe, close to 55 knots. I guess we could try it with two stages of barn door. And I ain't going any slower than that, it just feels wrong. Wait, it didn't feel like it was going to fall out of the sky though, which is nice. I do feel that this plane flies better, or feels a bit more stable than that SP. Not sure how that works. It actually flies quite nicely.
Orlando Executive Tower, Skyhawk 55297, runway 7 Alpha 7 ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 55297, Orlando Executive Tower, make left close traffic, runway 7 at Alpha 7, clear to takeoff.
I wish I enjoyed my job as much as she does.
Alpha 7, clear for takeoff 297.
Oh.
Number 7130 Quebec, maintain VFR outside the Bravo, frequency change approved.
Alright, let's hope we're number 1.
Dutch is 9 Mike Kilo, number 1, runway 7, clear to land.
7 clear to land on Mike Kilo.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, your choice, slightly extended downwind or a tight right 360 for spacing. You're following Dutchess traffic just outside of 3 mile final.
I'll extend the downwind for 0 Mike Alpha.
Cessna 0 Mike Alpha, roger, let me know when you see him.
Looking for the traffic, 0 Mike Alpha.
Where's the traffic? Where's the traffic?
0 Mike Alpha has the traffic in sight.
Let's start a turn. Back over Lake Eola again. I'm just going to come right back off that power. One stage of barn door. A little bit of power. I've got some more traffic in sight, but I think that's an Airbus A330. And we're nicely on the approach path. One white, one red. Nose up, throttle out. 2 stages. Ut ben deux. Sounds like a French cologne. Ben deux. 2 stages of barn door. Little bit of power. Right, left aileron, right rudder. Over throttle. I prefer the full barn door. But I gotta admit, we're not really floating for ages, are we? So yeah, 60 knots and below, with 2 or 3 stages of barn door, and I think that kind of does it. Now, I am going to admit, and I do apologise to anybody that suddenly gets shocked, but I do quite like this plane. It flies quite nicely. It sort of does what you want it to do, which is an important feature in a plane. But I'm still a PA-28 guy. But if this were available and 042 wasn't, I don't think I'd feel bad about it.
And on that rather sad bombshell,
this is the plane that I'm supposed to be flying into Sun and Fun this weekend. But the weather forecast is looking rather grim for the weekend, and obviously
Cessna 297, ground point 4 for the taxi back.
I'm not instrument rated.
Ground point forward, taxi.
But even if I were, and there were storms, doesn't necessarily mean I'd still go.
November 5160 Papa 7 at Alpha 7, ready for takeoff.
Tower, Cherokee 713, Sierra Quebec.
Cherokee 713, Sierra Quebec, Orlando, Executive Tower.
So we are in the northwest shore of Lake Apopka. You're picking up an ELT, just want to let you know.
Cherokee 3, Sierra Quebec, roger.
And going full barn door. Alright, 55, not looking at my airspeed anymore. I'm concentrating on where the runway is. The right rudder.
Executive Tower, Cirrus 402, Charlie Bravo's on the eye left.
Oh, that was
Cirrus 402, Charlie Bravo, Orlando, Executive Tower, continue.
And up we go again. Alright, so that was 55, pretty much bang on 55, with full barn door. And we were down in quite a short distance. But I definitely don't dislike this plane.
672 Papa Sierra, Executive Tower, you ready?
What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I think this is a better performance than the last time I flew one of these.
Orlando Executive Tower, Skyhawk 55297, runway 7, Alpha 7, ready for takeoff.
Tower Galaxy number 675 here. We're holding short runway 7 and we're ready for departure whenever you are.
November 672 Papa Sierra, Executive Tower, hold short runway 7, landing traffic.
We're holding short runway 7, 250.
Where?
Sky 0 Mike Alpha, continue down, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base here, Mike Alpha. Told you. Actually, it's probably worth mentioning. If you like the video, if you like my videos in general, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your friends' friends to subscribe. Tell your friends' dogs to subscribe. Or cats. We don't discriminate. Give this video a like. It does help. Leave a comment. I do like interacting with people.
That's a 0 Mike Alpha, turn base.
Turning base, 0 Mike Alpha. There's the runway.
Galaxy 672 Papa Sierra, traffic is a Skyhawk 3 mile final flight, heading 055, runway 7, full length, clear for takeoff.
Heading 055, clear for takeoff, runway 7, full length, 250.
Alrighty, that's gonna be the full stop. Give me a feedback, all that good stuff. We are quite far out here, probably what's that, about 4 miles? Plenty of time to slow it down.
Sky 0 Mike Alpha for way turbulence preceding Galaxy Jet, runway 7 cleared low approach only.
Cleared low approach only, 0 Mike Alpha.
So 297, number 2, follow Skyhawk 1 mile final, runway 7 clear to land.
Number 2, follow Skyhawk, clear to land, runway 7, 297.
Never ever had one of those before in my life. Well, this is kind of cool. So that wasn't a full stop.
Takeoff Tower, correct 345 Foxtrot, holding short runway 7 at Alpha 7, ready to go in sequence.
345 Foxtrot Tower, Executive Tower, standby.
And around we go again.
Let's turn 97, turn left Alpha 5, runway 7 at Alpha 7, taxi via Alpha, cross 13, remain as frequency.
So this is going to be the last one.
Sky 0 Mike Alpha, runway 7, clear touch and go.
0 Mike Alpha, commit this a full stop, please.
Sky 0 Mike Alpha, runway 7, clear to land.
Runway 7, clear to land, 0 Mike Alpha. 1700 RPM. Slowing it down. Being the numbers. And the first nooch. Say that.
Orlando Executive Tower, Skyhawk 55294 is Alpha 7, ready to go for runway 7.
Skyhawk 55294, Exec Tower, hold short runway 7, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 7, 55294.
Alrighty, there's the runway. And that didn't float. Now we were down before the 1,000-foot markers on that one. Executive ground 670 Mike Alpha is at Alpha 5, taxiing to the Atlantic hangars, please.
November 670 Mike Alpha, Atlanta Executive Ground, taxi parking via Alpha Bravo.
Parking via Alpha Bravo, 0 Mike Alpha. So there we go. I think that went fairly well, don't you? Better than last time, I think. Yeah, interested to hear your comments on this one. I think that was infinitely better than the last time we tried this. I was going to say I'll be at Sun and Fun on Saturday, but this is going to come out after Sun and Fun, so don't worry about that. Did I meet you at Sun and Fun? Was I pleasant? Alright guys, so that concludes it for this video. As I say, like it, subscribe if you haven't already, so that you get alerted about more videos like this, me being silly. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall start planning the next video. I got no idea what that's going to be. It might include Otto, it might include Dixon, it might include my wife, no idea. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.